If you're on the lookout for top-tier cookware that promises durability, precision, and professional-grade performance, this Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad 12-piece cookware set should be at the top of your list. Whether you're a seasoned chef or someone just starting to experiment in the kitchen, this stainless steel cookware set is designed to meet the needs of anyone who appreciates quality. Crafted for precision and performance, the Tramontina 12-piece Tri-Ply Clad cookware set is induction-ready, dishwasher-safe, and NSF-certified, ensuring that it not only looks great but performs exceptionally well. From frying pans to saucepans, this cookware set promises to elevate your cooking experience. This review will dive deep into the features, benefits, and real-world performance of this premium cookware set. Key features. 1. Tri-ply clad construction. The hallmark of the Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad cookware set is its tri-ply construction, which includes an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of premium 1810 stainless steel. This unique design ensures that the cookware heats evenly from all sides, reducing hot spots and allowing for precise temperature control. The aluminum core provides excellent heat conductivity, making it ideal for both quick searing and slow cooking, ensuring even results every time. 2. Induction compatibility. This cookware set is induction-ready, meaning it works on all types of stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic glass cooktops. Whether you have a state-of-the-art induction cooktop or a traditional gas burner, this cookware will perform flawlessly, making it a versatile addition to your kitchen. 3. Oven safe. Up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For those who love to cook meals that require finishing in the oven, the Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad cookware set has you covered. It's oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to move seamlessly between stovetop cooking and oven finishes without needing to switch pans. This high heat resistance is perfect for braising, roasting, or finishing dishes under the broiler. 4. Ergonomically designed handles. The cast stainless steel handles are not only ergonomic, but also riveted for additional support, ensuring a firm grip when moving heavy pots or sautéing large batches. The handles remain cool to the touch, even during long cooking sessions, adding an extra layer of comfort and safety while cooking. 5. Precision-fitted lids. The 1810 stainless steel lids fit securely on each pot and pan, helping to lock in moisture and nutrients. These lids ensure that your food retains its natural flavors while cooking, giving you restaurant-quality results at home. Whether simmering a sauce or steaming vegetables, the secure lid design helps prevent spills while keeping heat and moisture locked in. 6. Dishwasher-safe and easy to clean. While hand washing is recommended for preserving the cookware's shine and longevity, the Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad cookware set is dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze after a delicious meal. The stainless steel exterior resists staining, and the smooth, easy-release surface helps prevent food from sticking, making cleaning a lot easier. 7. Sleek, professional design. The mirror-polished exterior of the cookware adds an elegant touch to any kitchen, complementing both modern and traditional kitchen aesthetics. The sleek finish ensures the cookware looks just as good hanging in your kitchen as it does performing on the stovetop. 8. Lifetime warranty. Tramontina stands behind its products, offering a lifetime warranty on this cookware set. The assurance of quality, combined with Tramontina's reputation for delivering high-quality products, ensures that you're making a worthwhile investment. This warranty covers any defects in material or workmanship, adding peace of mind to your purchase. Conclusion. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with high-performance cookware, this Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad 12-piece cookware set is an excellent choice. Offering professional quality performance with even heat distribution, induction compatibility, and oven-safe capabilities, this cookware set is perfect for any home cook who values durability, precision, and versatility. Whether you're simmering, sautéing, or searing, Tramontina has created a cookware set that can handle it all while looking beautiful in your kitchen. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your cooking. Click the link below to learn more about the Tramontina Tri-Ply Clad cookware set, and grab your own today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.